Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Green, and today I'm going to talk you through how I like to make our overnight oats. First, you're going to need 3 jars. I like these mason jars because you just put the lid on and shake all the ingredients up. Some almond milk, some gluten-free old-fashioned rolled oats, maple syrup, or you can use honey or whatever sweetener you like, vanilla. We're going to make 3 kinds today, so I'm going to use blueberries, one with banana and one with apple, and some cinnamon for the apple overnight oats, and always a pinch of salt in all of them to balance out all of the sweetness. So let's go ahead and get started. So I hope you can see everything that I'm doing, but for this you're going to want even amounts of your liquid and your oat. And for the size of jar I chose, I like 1 cup of almond milk to 1 cup of oats. And this canning funnel makes it super easy so I don't spill all of my oats all over the place, because knowing me, I would have totally done that. So again, a pinch of salt in all of them to balance out the sweetness. And then about a teaspoon of vanilla, about a tablespoon of maple syrup, and you can sweeten this with whatever you like and put however much sweetener you think will be sweet enough for you, or completely leave it out. It's totally up to you. I have some frozen blueberries here for this first jar. We don't want to fill it up too much because we want to be able to shake it. So I'm going to put the lid on this and show you. You just shake this up, and when it's all incorporated, you just put this in the fridge. So our blueberry overnight oats is done. I'm going to cut up my banana. Put the lid on this. Shake it up. And the banana one is done. And now moving on to our apple. And this is a pretty big Honey Crisp apple, so I think I'm just going to use about 1/4 of it. This one is my 10-year-old's favorite. He loves the apple cinnamon one. Just put it in the jar. And then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Put the lid on that. Shake it up really good. And that is it. And you can play around with the ratio of the oats to liquid. Play around with what you like to put in it. Sometimes I like to put walnuts in the banana one, and that turns out really good too. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and they're going to be ready in the morning. So it's the next day, and this is what our overnight oats look like. This is the blueberry one, the apple, which I also have in my bowl, and this is what the banana overnight oats look like. It doesn't look like there's a bunch of liquid in there, but most of it's settled to the bottom, and that's how much liquid you'll get in the bowl. If that's not enough for you, then go ahead and add more milk. I find that this is just enough with the texture of the oats. And this is really nice in the summer because it's nice and cold. However, if you want something warm during the fall and winter season, you can easily pop this in the microwave, or what I would do is warm it up on the stovetop. So that is it for our video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!